Welcome to the What Does Science Say channel. Today, we are going to complete a 15-minute facelifting workout. This visualization represents the biological process we are triggering. By combining facial yoga with targeted massage, we create a rush of boosted blood circulation just beneath the skin's surface, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the underlying muscles and tissue. Before we begin the movements, you need to meet two physical prerequisites. Ensure your hands and your face are perfectly clean. Next, find a comfortable seated position. Sit up straight and imagine the crown of your head reaching directly for the sky. Proper posture and clean skin are the foundations of this routine. Setting up correctly helps isolate the right muscles and prevents us from accidentally tugging the skin in ways that create new lines. Step 1 focuses on side-to-side lip movements. Keep your lips closed and shift them from left to right, focusing on the resistance in your facial muscles. To reset after that activation, gently pinch the skin around your lips. Then softly blow out air through relaxed lips to release the tension. Step 2 involves circular lip movements. Purse your lips and begin circling them, supporting your chin with your hand. Keep your eyes relaxed to ensure the movement stays isolated to the mouth area. For step 3, we will use an A-oo motion. Tuck your lips behind your teeth. Exaggerate the sound A and the sound oo. If you feel clicking or strain in your jaw joints, slow down or pause the movement. This diagram illustrates the mechanics of step 4, the E-oo cheek lift. On the E sound, notice how the zygomatic muscles, your cheek muscles, pull upward and outward toward the temples. You are listening to us from What Does Science Say? By isolating these exact movements, we focus on toning structural muscles that support the lower face. Moving to step 5, we use circular tongue movements. Trace the inside of your mouth with your tongue, clockwise and then counterclockwise, to deeply engage the internal cheek structure. If comfortable with the movement, place your hands on the outside of your cheeks. This provides extra resistance, making the muscles work harder during each circle. Step 6 is ballooning the cheeks. Press both of your hands firmly over your lips to trap the air inside. Move that air from one cheek to the other while keeping your shoulders down and relaxed. This profile map highlights the exact boundary of the jawline and the lower hollows of the cheeks targeted by step 7, the fish. Wrap your lips around your thumb and use small opening and closing movements to engage the lower facial muscles. We'll now focus on the neck with step 8. Place your hand on your collarbone to anchor the skin. Tilt your head diagonally back and hold 10 seconds to stretch the front of the neck. You are listening to us from What Does Science Say? By stretching these muscles, we reduce the tightness that often accumulates in the neck, which helps facilitate smoother blood flow toward the face. Step 9 begins the massage phase with the chewing muscles. Keep your mouth slightly open and use your knuckles in circular motions on the corners of your jaw to help release built-up tension in the masseter muscles. For step 10, the cheek massage, we start at the canine fossa. You can find this by feeling for the slight natural dip right next to your nose. Follow the path shown here. Glide your knuckles from that starting point near the nose, moving outward along the underside of the cheekbone. Finish step 10 by gently massaging behind the ears. Use light pressure here, focusing entirely on moving the fluid downward toward the neck rather than pulling at the delicate skin. Step 11 is a scalp massage. Use your fingertips to manually shift the skin of your scalp in different directions, which helps stimulate circulation and supports lymphatic drainage. These final massage techniques act as a flush. They perfectly help move the fluids and release all the deep tension that we loosened during the active yoga exercises. To cool down, take a few deep breaths. This increases oxygenation and helps the face settle after the workout, reducing any temporary puffiness. If you notice your face feels warm or slightly tingling right now, it indicates that the blood flow has increased and the muscles we targeted have been properly activated. For long-term progress, aim to perform this routine 5 to 6 times a week. However, keep it to once a day to ensure your muscles have time to rest and recover. We'd love to hear about your experience. Leave a comment below and let us know how your face feels after these 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss an update. Give this video a like. Leave a comment to give us energy, and share this routine with your loved ones so our channel can continue to grow.